Welcome to CognitionChunks. This information is for entertainment only. I am not trained in philosophy. Is this useful? Is this nonsense? Join me as I attempt to learn from GPT. Here is Eureka, Epochs. Understanding the Origins of Philosophy by GPT. Part 1. The Cradle of Philosophy. Chapter 1. The Pre-Socratics and the Birth of Western Philosophy. Section B. Major Pre-Socratic philosophers and their contributions. The pre-Socratic philosophers, active before Socrates' time, were primarily concerned with cosmology, ontology, and the nature of the universe. They laid the groundwork for Western philosophy and science, moving away from mythological explanations to more rational and systematic inquiries about the world. Here, we explore some of the major pre-Socratic philosophers and their pivotal contributions. Thales of Miletus, c. 624 to 546 BCE. Philosophical contributions. Thales is often regarded as the first philosopher in the Greek tradition. He proposed that water is the fundamental principle, arche, underlying all of reality, suggesting a unifying substance from which everything originates and to which it returns. Scientific insights. Thales is also credited with predicting a solar eclipse and made significant contributions to geometry, laying the groundwork for later mathematical discoveries. Anaximander, c. 610 to 546 BCE. Concept of the apeiron. Anaximander, a pupil of Thales, introduced the concept of the apeiron, or the infinite, an indefinite and boundless principle that underlies and gives rise to all things. Unlike Thales' singular element of water, Anaximander's apeiron is more abstract, emphasizing the limitless nature of the primary substance. Cosmology and evolution. He proposed early ideas on the development of life and the structure of the cosmos, including the notion that humans evolved from fish-like creatures, showcasing an early understanding of evolutionary principles. Pythagoras, c. 570 to 495 BCE. Mathematics and cosmology. Pythagoras is best known for the Pythagorean theorem in geometry, but his contributions extend to the concept of the harmony of the spheres. He believed that numbers are the essence of all reality, attributing numerical relationships to elements of music, astronomy, and the cosmos. Pythagoreanism. The Pythagorean school he founded combined philosophy, religion, and mathematics, emphasizing the importance of harmony, proportion, and order in both ethical conduct and the understanding of the universe. Heraclitus, c. 535 to 475 BCE. Doctrine of flux and unity of opposites. Heraclitus is famous for his assertion that everything flows panta rhei, suggesting that the fundamental nature of the world is constant change. He also proposed the unity of opposites, where the world's stability and order are maintained through the tension and balance of opposing forces. Logos. Heraclitus introduced the concept of the logos, a rational principle that governs the cosmos and ensures its coherence and continuity. Parmenides, c. 515 to 450 BCE. Philosophy of being. Parmenides argued against the notion of change and plurality, asserting that reality is singular, unchanging, and indivisible. His poem on nature presents a radical ontology that distinguishes between the way of truth, where being is, and the way of opinion, where humans perceive a world of change and multiplicity. Impact on metaphysics. Parmenides' ideas posed a significant challenge to subsequent philosophers, leading to profound discussions on the nature of being and the possibility of knowledge. Empedocles, c. 494 to 434 BCE. For root elements, Empedocles introduced the idea that all matter is composed of 4 roots, or elements: earth, air, fire, and water. These elements combine and separate through the forces of love, attraction, and strife, repulsion, accounting for the changing world. Reincarnation and ethics. He also believed in the transmigration of souls and emphasized ethical living, which influenced later philosophical and religious thought. Anaxagoras, c. 500 to 428 BCE. Mind nous. As cosmic orderer, Anaxagoras introduced the concept of nous, mind, as a supreme ordering and animating principle of the cosmos. He suggested that nous is responsible for the initial cosmic rotation, leading to the separation and organization of the primordial mixture. Theory of everything being in everything. He proposed that in the original cosmic mixture, every substance contained portions of every other substance, allowing for the infinite divisibility and combination of matter. Conclusion. The pre-Socratic philosophers set the stage for classical Greek philosophy in the eventual emergence of Socratic, Platonic, and Aristotelian thought. Their inquiries into the principles of the cosmos, the nature of reality, and the role of rationality laid the foundational stones of Western philosophy, science, and mathematics, profoundly influencing subsequent intellectual developments. Thank you for joining us for another Cognition Chunks. Please like and subscribe.